Hey guys, today we are making Halloween coloring cards with our Cricut. Open up Cricut Design Space and go to Projects. You can search for Halloween coloring card favors, and it's this one right here. And then we're going to hit Customize. I like these ones that are already pre-designed, but I also want to add some of my own. So I'm just duplicating everything and then going back through and detaching so I can get rid of that previous image. Now just search for Halloween images and pick out a few that you like. Now just resize your image to fit your card and then switch it from cut to draw. And then I'm just realigning everything to center before I reattach. As you can see with this one, not all images look good when they're drawn. They lose some of their details. So I just deleted that one and I'm going to go back and find a better image. Now send everything to your Cricut, and I'm going to be using some white cardstock and this pen that I'll link down below. This one doesn't need an adapter, it fits perfectly. And that's it. A fast, easy, last-minute craft for the kids. Happy Halloween!